This is the Reolink Argus Pro, and there we have the optional solar panel for charging it. This is a wireless camera which will connect to your home Wi-Fi. You can then view that via your mobile phone or via the Reolink app. If you want to know the entire spec for this camera, please visit their website via the link in the description. All specifications can be seen on their website. I'll put a link in the description where you can get a slight discount. I'd just like to point out that I'm not on commission. The camera also benefits from two-way audio, so you can speak to people and they can speak back. You can move this camera from room to room, or you can use it outside. I'll just show you what comes in the box as standard. We have the instructions in there. We've then got the camera itself, and I've also purchased a 64 gig micro SD card. We've then got the battery. It is a good idea to charge that fully before you start to install it. Then got some fixing screws and plugs, the mount. You then get a charging cable which enables you to charge that from a USB device. You also get a strap for mounting it around a tree, etc. And you also get a waterproof cover. The first thing we're going to do with this is install the SD card. So you simply lift up that protective cover at the side there, and that will expose the slot. You've also got a reset button in there should you wish to reset the camera. I'm going to push that into the slot. Like so. So now I'm going to replace the cover. That is the charging port for the battery. Simply open that up and plug that into the USB device, or plug it into the solar panel. To fit the battery to the camera, you simply slide it on like so.
Start it up. Please run Reolink app, add the camera and set it up.
Before we go any further, I'll show you some footage taken by the camera. This is outside during the day. This is inside. The flickering is caused by the LED lights in the kitchen. This is outside at night. One thing that's absolutely superb about this camera is the Wi-Fi range. It's approximately 20 meters to the house. You will need to install the Reolink app. I already actually have it installed because I have a few Reolink cameras. So I'm just going to open up the app. Unfortunately, I couldn't get that to work in the garage, so I'm just going to open up the side there, and I'm just going to reset it by pushing in the special pin.
Factory reset. Camera has been started up. Please run Reolink app, add the camera and set it up.
So I'm now going to open the Reolink app again. So I'm going to click on the plus button. Then going to scan the QR code again. It's now added the device. So I'm now going to click on connect to Wi-Fi. We heard the voice, so we're just going to click on I heard the voice. We're now going to input the router and the password details. Once we've done that, we're going to click on next. We now need to get the camera to scan the QR code.
Scan succeeded. Camera is connecting to your router. Please wait.
So we're now going to click on scan succeeds. And then we're going to click on connection to the router succeeded. Now we need to create a login and password. Eventually that's worked. I'm now going to give it a name. So we're going to call it wireless, and we're going to click next. And then we need to click next to format the SD card. Just click on OK. And the initialization is finished. I do apologise, my phone just went flat when I was setting this up, but you can now see that we've got the camera working. I've got the camera on the table just over there, and it is filming what we are doing. I'm now going to screw this in position using the 3 screws. When you get the mounting plate, it does say on it front and back. It is important that it goes on the correct way around, with the flat part of the plate at the top. Once the back plate is screwed to the wall, we can then put the bracket on. Again, this needs to go the correct way. That will simply hook on and then push back into position. We can then screw the camera onto that. Obviously, if you're fixing this to a masonry wall, you will have to use the supplied wall plugs and also drill the holes. Now we've got the camera installed, we're now going to install the solar panel. I'm starting off by finding a sunny location. I'm then going to fix the bracket to the piece of wood. Once I've done that, I'm then going to screw the solar panel onto the fixing bracket. And then I'm going to tilt it so that it is pointing directly at the sun. I'm then going to lock that in position. Once I've done that, I can then plug it into the back of the camera. To do that, I just need to make a small slit to enable the plug to go in the back of the camera. There is a small blanking plug in there, but that just gets in the way, so I'm actually just going to pull that straight out. And then I'm going to put the plug in which has the weatherproof connector. Once I've done that, I can then remove the cover from the solar panel. That will then charge the camera up when it is sunny. If you click the gear icon for the camera, you can view the battery charge and change the camera settings via the app. You can also get a desktop app. The included strap can be used to fix the camera mount to a post or a tree, etc. The camera is great for capturing wildlife. Here we have 2 pigeons arguing. I hope you found this video useful. If you have and you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel.